Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make my very delicious keto albondiga soup. This is my version. This is exactly how I like making it. I'm going to use 100% turkey meat and have some cilantro, fresh cilantro. I have a little bit of cumin, some pepper, some complete seasoning. I also have mint flakes, and this is by far my favorite seasoning, the Sazon Goya. It's just a mix of seasonings. I have onion, tomato, Roma tomato is my favorite, 2 zucchinis, some garlic with extra virgin olive oil, and broccoli and cauliflower. Since this is keto, I'm only using zucchini, broccoli, and cauliflower. Those are my favorite veggies to put in like a soup. And while I'm chopping up my veggies, I'm gonna put half a gallon of water to boil, and once that comes up to a boil, I'll show you guys how I do the little meatballs, the albondigas. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna use to make my albondiga soup. I know you're supposed to use high fats, but for some reason I just wanted to make it with ground turkey this time, and just to add a different flavor. And already cut up my veggies here. This is gonna go in the albondigas, and I'll add the seasonings and I'll show you guys. I'm already boiling my water. My water has to be ready before I start making these. Okay, as you can see, my water is boiling, and so now I'm ready to bring my albondigas. I'll show you guys how they look. Okay, when you start seeing that your albondigas meatballs are floating, you know they're ready. What I did add is that little orange packet here to add flavor to the water. So now, since they are floating, I'm gonna put my zucchini and my broccoli and cauliflower. So you want to do this very, very carefully because you might get burned.